If the compass needle is placed above the wire, the north pole deflects towards when the direction of the current in wire is from A to B. Okay, let's explain. I already explained that. Again, you can explain. You can read from the book. On passing current in a wire, magnetic field is produced around it, and magnetic needle of the compass experience a torque in the magnetic field, because you know that if two magnet is taken towards each other, there will be deflection. Similarly, when you are passing the current through wire that is producing a magnetic field, and there is magnetic compass will be deflected. Magnetic field and magnetic field lines. When a current is passed through a conducting wire, a magnetic field is produced. We can see that from that experiment. At a point, the direction, and what will be the direction of that magnetic field? The magnetic field, direction of the magnetic field will be at the tangent drawn on the magnetic field line. Magnetic field line, actually that is an imaginary line. It is produced when a magnetic field is generated. Magnetic field line produced. Okay, there is an experiment done for showing the magnetic field line. There is a cardboard taken, and this is placed horizontal. You know that horizontal means. Now a wire is taken and it is entered from the center of the cardboard vertically towards the cardboard. Now there is a battery, key, ammeter. So if now current is flow from X side to Y side, and one more thing is done, some iron needle is sprinkled in that cardboard. When the current is passing through that, it is seen that iron needle arranged in a manner and producing like that is arranged in that manner in a circle. It is assume that these are field line. So what is the direction of the magnetic field? The tangent of that magnetic field lines will be the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, there is some from the magnetic field line pattern. We note that the magnetic field line from the concentric circle around the order. You can see that all the field line are a concentric circle. Concentric circle means you know that one center but many circles. When the direction of the current in the wire is reversed, the pattern of the iron filling does not change. Pattern will not change, direction will be changed. If I reverse the current, that means now the current is flowing from X to Y direction. You can see that field line direction. If you change that from Y to X, that will be reversed. That means next the circle will be moved like that. On increasing the current of the wire, the magnetic field lines become denser. That means the distance between the two circles will be reduced. Okay, rule to find the direction of the magnetic field. How will we can find out the direction of the magnetic field? There is some rule. Okay, let's read. First rule, right hand thumb rule. Okay, let's check the figure. You can check the figure, which will help you to understand. If the wire is like that, you can see that the XY is wire. If you are holding like that, if you are holding the wire like that, here direction of the current is X to Y, and you are holding the wire like that, the direction of magnetic field lines will be like that. How in your you can see that direction of the current is like that. You are holding that wire like that. So what will be the direction of the magnetic field? This finger will be your direction of the magnetic field. That means like that. You can see that your finger is like that. So the direction of the magnetic field will be like that. This is known as right hand thumb rule. Magnetic field due to a current in a loop. If the current is flowing in a loop, you can see that setup. Here the current is flowing in a loop. the current is starting, the current is flowing from this side, is moving on that side. That means it is moving in a circular way. What will be the magnetic field? As this is a circular coil, what will be the magnetic field? And you can see the setup. There is a cardboard is taken, a wire is fitted here, and it is passing from 2 points P and Q. P and Q lies in a plane through the diameter of the coil. Then sprinkle some iron finish. Similar like previous, some iron fillings is taken and sprinkle on that cardboard. Then connect a battery, and now the direction of the current will be from X to Y. So what result we will get? And you can see that magnetic field, if when the current is flowing, what type of magnetic field line is generated. You can see that as the current is flowing from X to Y side, in that side the field line is moving in that way, anti-clockwise. You can see that. And in the right side the field line is clockwise. You can see here it is said from P to Q the current is flowing, and both are, whatever field line you can see, all are circular within the space enclosed by the wire between P. The magnetic field line are in the same direction. Near the center of the loop, the magnetic field lines are nearly parallel to each other. You can see that near the center of the loop it is a looping, and near the center it is almost parallel to each other. In that sector that is becoming parallel, not circular. At the center the magnetic field lines are along the axis of the loop. You can see that at the center the magnetic field line along the axis of the loop. The magnetic field lines become denser, the magnetic field strength. If I increase the current, the magnetic field line will be denser. That means that will be more closer to each other. The number of turns in the loop is increased. If I increase the number of turn, then also the magnetic field line will be denser. The magnetic field line pass through the loop in the same direction. You can see that from that, as the current is moving like that, and the magnetic field, you can see that is moving in the same direction as the current is moving. They appear to come out from the face of the loop on the other side, so that face behaves as a north pole, while the magnetic field lines appear to enter in the front face of loop, so it behaves as a south pole. Thus, the loop acts like a dipole, and it has a magnetic field similar to that of a magnetized disc of radius same as that of the loop. The polarity at the two faces of the loop depend on the direction of the current in the loop. If you change the direction of the current, the polarity will change. Looking at the face, how to identify the north-south pole of the wire? Clock rule. Looking at the face of the loop, if you are looking at the face of the loop, like this is the face of the loop, if you are looking at that, if the current around that face is anti-clockwise, if it is in anti-clockwise direction, the face is north polarity. If the current at the face is in clockwise direction, the face is south polarity. You can see that as it is looping anti-clockwise, you can see now you are facing in that direction. You are seeing that is moving anti-clockwise. That means that is north direction, and it is clockwise. That means it is south direction, or south pole. Okay, whatever you have understand, try to understand more clearly. For that, you have to read the book and understand. If any question is arising, you can call me or you can ask me the question.